How to install Teamviewer for iPads and iPhones. On your device, find the App Store and tap on it to open it up. Your screen should now look something like this. Tap on the search button in the bottom right-hand corner. Your screen should now look like this. Tap in the search box at the top to bring up your keyboard, like this. Now type Quick Support, all one word. When done, tap on the search button. Look for Teamviewer Quick Support and tap on the Get button beside it. While it downloads, the Get button will change to this. After a minute or so, it will change to an Open button. Well done, you've just installed Teamviewer Quick Support. Now tap on the Open button. If asked about notifications, just tap on Allow. This is the main Teamviewer Quick Support screen. The important part is the ID number. Your AbilityNet volunteer will ask you for this so they can remotely access your device. When your AbilityNet volunteer tries to connect, you will see a request like this. Tap on Allow to let them view your device. Tap on Start Broadcast and tap on Start Broadcast again. As long as your AbilityNet volunteer is connected, you'll see a red line along the top of the screen. When the session is finished, tap on this red line. Finally, tap on the Stop button to stop broadcasting your screen.